The U.S. House of Representatives elected Congressman Kevin McCarthy as Speaker early Saturday morning after a historic deadlock that kept the lower chamber from being fully functional days after the new Congress convened. All House Democrats voted for Congressman Hakeem Jeffries, a Democrat from New York, making him the minority leader and the first African-American lawmaker to run a party in either chamber of the U.S. Congress. To flip Republican holdouts, McCarthy reportedly made a series of concessions, including a lower threshold to force a vote on ousting the House Speaker and a floor vote on a broader security bill. He also promised that efforts to raise the nation's debt ceiling must be paired with spending cuts.
Representative Kevin McCarthy of California finally secured the U.S. House speakership in the dramatic middle-of-the-night election on January 7, 2023. However, the deal he struck to win over holdout Republicans raised the risks of persistent political gridlock that could destabilize the American financial system. Senate Majority Leader Chuck Schumer responded to the alleged concessions after McCarthy's election, saying the proposals will cause a government shutdown or a default with devastating consequences to our country. Speaker Kevin McCarthy's dream job could turn into a nightmare for the American people, Schumer said. To get the votes, he surrendered to demands of a fringe element of the Republican Party. The concessions could prevent Congress from doing the basic tasks of keeping the government open, paying the country's bills, and avoiding default on America's trillions of dollars in debt, said the New York Times. Also at risk are other high-profile measures that could require agreement between House Republicans and the Democrats who control the Senate and the White House, noted the Wall Street Journal.